Hi, this is Tanya again, and I'm going to continue this series on social emotional learning in talking about specific tools that you can use to integrate both all of these tools into your already built lesson planning and curriculum. So any of the main points. This one is self-management. We're going to be talking about self-management, kind of redefining it. If you have not seen the specific video on the basics or the definition of the socially emotional learning, like I define the concept of social emotional learning, and then I talk a little bit about each of the 5 points. Well, now these videos are a continued series of 5 different videos. Each one's going to be a playlist of each of those points, and I'm going to introduce some tools connected to each of those. So just another way of using technology integration to talk more about social emotional learning and how to integrate it into your learning environment. So self-management is talking about how, like the first step, self-awareness, we're understanding our emotions, we're understanding ourselves, we're understanding the depth of our strengths and our weaknesses. Self-management is helping students understand how to manage those emotions that they've discovered they had, how to utilize and move forward with those strengths and those weaknesses. So it helps them to regulate emotions, whether they're positive emotions or negative emotions. Too much of any emotion can be a lot. So regulating those emotions, managing stress, and helping students to demonstrate ability to manage all of those things, for them to show that they have that ability to do that. Also showing an understanding of honesty and integrity, how to conduct yourself in a way like that. And also giving them the ability to set and achieve goals to move towards success, whatever they may define that to be. So self-management makes sense that in this series, we're going to be talking about ways of showing your self-management skills through productivity. And most of these tools are considered productive, note-taking, note-keeping, and that kind of stuff. So the 3 tools we're going to talk about are Padlet, WeVideo, and Google Keep. All 3 of these tools are going to help students understand how to manage the emotions and the understanding of themselves that they learned in those first concepts of self-awareness. So self-management is an important concept in social emotional learning. Doing things like counting to 5, grounding yourself, deep breaths, giving yourself some self-talks, allowing yourself to be controlled, or controlling your emotions, regulating yourself to navigate or move through who you are, move through the things that you are struggling with emotionally. The 3 tools that I'm going to be talking about with the self-management concept are Google Keep, because Google Keep is a task and goal list, and that's kind of what self-management is. First, we understand ourselves through self-awareness, and then we start to develop plans, goals, lists, tasks. A lot of this stuff can be used with project-based learning, which is another series that we have on our YouTube channel. And like the WeVideo, next year video, what are you going to do? What are you going to plan? What are you going to do for project-based learning? It could be a video contract. What are you promising that you're going to complete with this project? It could be a way of allowing the students to declare their motivation and their goal to move forward. And then, of course, Padlet is a cooperative learning tool anyways, but you could have the students collaborate on whatever projects they're doing to state their goals, their roles, and their movement towards that final objective or final project.